The next generation Nissan Skyline is starting to take shape, and even from the limited previews so far, it feels like something meaningful is on the way. Nissan is clearly leaning into its heritage while trying to modernize the look, and that balance is not always easy to get right. From what has been shown, the front end immediately stands out. The headlights are slim and sharp, and each side features a pair of curved, vertical daytime running light elements that give the car a distinct signature. Between them, there is a very thin grille opening, or at least something designed to look like one, which adds to the clean and minimal approach. It feels more refined than aggressive, but still carries a confident presence. Around the back, the design takes a more nostalgic turn. The familiar dual circular taillight theme is still there, which longtime fans will instantly recognize. This detail has always been closely tied to the Skyline identity and even echoes the legacy of the GTR lineage. On this new model, those round elements appear to be integrated into a dark trim piece across the trunk, giving them a more modern and cohesive look rather than standing alone. The side profile also seems to be evolving. The body panels look smoother, with fewer sharp creases, and there is a single strong character line running along the length of the car. The window shape has been slightly reworked, and interestingly, Nissan appears to be sticking with traditional door handles that offer a natural grip instead of going with flush or hidden designs. It is a small detail, but one that suggests usability is still a priority. When it comes to performance, there is still a lot we do not officially know, but expectations are already forming. The car is likely to stay true to a rear-wheel drive layout, which is something enthusiasts will definitely appreciate. Power is expected to come from a 3.0-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine, similar to what is found in the current model. In its highest performance Nismo version today, that engine produces 420 horsepower and 550 newton-meters of torque, so it would not be surprising to see similar or slightly improved figures in the new generation. Right now, the current Skyline uses a 7-speed automatic transmission, and there is hope that a manual option could return, although that has not been confirmed. If Nissan does bring back a manual, it would instantly make this car much more exciting for purists. The debut of the new Skyline is expected sometime next year, with the model primarily focused on the Japanese market. For global audiences, a closely related version will likely continue under the Infiniti Q50 name, carrying over much of the same engineering with slight design and branding differences.